Gently push back the proximal nail fold. Remove tissue and debris from the nail plate. Shape the free edge using the 180 grit emerald file. Lightly etch and remove the shine from the nail plate using the 180 grit emerald file. Remove the filing dust using a clean, dry nail wipe. Apply dehydrate to the natural nail to cleanse, remove moisture, and balance the pH of the nail plate. Wipe the brush on the neck of the bottle to remove excess power bond. Sparingly apply 1 coat of power bond to the entire natural nail surface and allow to dry. Proceed with enhancement application. Using an IBD gel brush, apply a thin layer of your choice of clear gel to the nail surface, like polish. Cap the nail by lightly brushing the gel along the sides and the free edge. Make sure no gel is present on the skin surrounding the nail. If there is, remove it with an IBD cuticle pusher. Cure according to type of gel and lamp being used. While first hand is curing, apply gel to the other hand. Do not cleanse after curing. Apply a second coat of clear gel, repeating steps 1 and 2. Cure according to type of gel and lamp being used. Cleanse the inhibition layer from the nails using a nail wipe saturated with Cleanser Plus or LED Shine Enhancer. File and shape the nails with the 180 grit emerald file. Finish with your choice of finishing application appropriate to hard gel. Moisturize by massaging lavender cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail.